Om Ekabhogaya Namaha. It's also very interesting. Ekabhoga Ekena Kameshwarena Sakam Bhogaha Mukti Bhogaha Swaswarupanandanubhoha Yasyaha Satata. Ekabhoga Ekena Kameshwarena Sakam Bhogaha Mukti Bhogaha. She is with a unitary enjoyment. Eka, he refers to your Kameshwara. We know Bhoga is the enjoyment. What's that? She enjoys her identity with Kameshwara. And ignorance and its cause, are they not same? They are different only in the form of cause and effect. But ignorance and cause are one. She rules that. She rules that cause and effect and ignorance by conferring her own reality to them, to the devotees. She is awareness herself, but limited by Maya. When she becomes awareness limited by Maya, that rules Eka Kinanamati Tatha Patisha Patnicha Bhavatam Shruti. When he is limited by Maya, that rules as the cause of birth, Srishti Siddhi Layada. Here, the Shruti Vakya says, alone he does not enjoy. He refers to the universal consciousness. Because he alone, whether alone refers to universal consciousness or the energy, alone, both are alone, that cannot enjoy alone, hence he became husband and wife, Prakasha and Vimarsha. Here it will be seen the single awareness of its own will, single awareness. He, Brahman, becomes husband and wife for enjoyment. So in the essence, it is only a single enjoyment called Ekabhoga. Eka means one, and Bhoga means the pleasure or delight. She is the subject of delight. This delight is also means bliss. She is the object of delight. To whom? To Shiva. In their relationship of Kameshwara and Kameshwara. She is both subject and object. This quality of the same thing becoming subject and object is the exclusive quality of Brahman. What can become subject and object the same? That is Brahman. That is the exclusive quality of Brahman. You understand this? Eka Bhoga, exactly meaning that only. Eka Bhoga has to be understood not by literal meaning. The Brahman is both one, subject and object. Should be understood this way. That is the exclusive quality of Brahman. That is called Eka Bhoga. The Bhoga, One more meaning it has got as a coiled serpent. This using that bhoga word here, it subtly conveys her subtlest form of Kundalini. So when we attach that bhoga into subtlest form of her as Kundalini, Eka Bhoga, if you add to that, this Nama also means that she is alone in the form of Kundalini, Eka Bhoga. And the same meaning is conveyed also in Sahasranama. Bhogini Bhuvaneshwari. Bhogini is one name, Bhuvaneshwari is next name. Bhogini is the same, also conveys the same meaning of Eka Bhogaya Namaha.